Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and if you're new here, welcome, and if you've been here before, welcome back. So sorry about the shine, I just wanted to show you guys this real quick. This is going to be a comparison video. So I was looking through Amazon and trying to find some fun, inexpensive ways to print off my digitals that I have in my Etsy shop. And what I found was I have this HP heavyweight project paper, and you get 250 sheets, and it is 40 pound, 150 GSM, 95 brightness, and it's just the 8.5 by 11 inch size paper for the printer. And I was like, okay, you get 250 of them. That'd be nice, you know, and it's got a kind of nice weight to it. So it's got a nice, you know, thicker weight to it. So I like that. I was like, okay, because I want it to be a little more sturdy. But then I was like, okay, so I've heard people talking about like matte photo paper. And I was looking through that, and then I was like, okay, well, this one has 50 sheets in it. And it's a 45 pound and 170 GSM. And it's still, you know, the standard for the US, 8.5 inch by 11 inch, you know. You know, you get 50 of them for, I think it's only like under $6. So, I mean, it really is a good deal. So now I went last night and I printed my digitals on both. So I did one on each. And today I want to show you in comparison and let you guys decide which ones that you would like. So I will have both of these in my Amazon links down below, the HP and the Canon. So I'll make sure to put both of those down below. Okay, so these are the two that we will be using today. Okay, so this is in my Etsy shop, and it is one of my digitals that I just uploaded in there. And I will make sure to put the link down below so you guys can come check it out. And this is a scrapbook and different things you'll see that are authentic that I got from my mother-in-law, and it's my husband's great-great-grandma like scrapbook, and there's a cool guest book in here and then another scrapbook thing. So I put it into my scanner and I scanned in the images of the books and stuff and some of the papers. So now I want to show you guys. So this one is on the HP. The ones I'm going to show you first will be the HP, and then the second one will be the Canon. Okay, so this is the HP one, and I was like, oh, okay, that's all right. That's not too bad. It's a little blurry. I wasn't too satisfied with it, but there's that. And then look at the difference. Like, this one really brought in the color. Let's see, make sure you guys can see here. As you can see, let's put it right here. I mean, you can really see the difference. So this is the HP paper, and then this is the Canon, which is this one, the red one. Sorry, I mean to bump you guys. This is the red Canon paper. So loving that. I really do love it. And I do suggest to use some matte photo paper when you do print my digitals off, because you can see the difference of it. Okay, so that's one. And then now this is another scrapbook that she has, and I'll go through the scrapbooks in the very end. I have a couple of scrapbooks I can flip through with you guys just to show you. And I'll show you the originals covers. But you can see right here it says scrapbook on it, and it's got, you know, it's pretty cool looking. As you can tell, it's patinaed through the years and just kind of aged. So it's kind of fun. And I was like, oh, it's not too bad. But then, there you go. And you can just really see the difference. This is the HP on the left here. And then on the right is the Canon, the matte photo paper. So you can really see the difference on that. So I'm really liking that. Show you that. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one was a fun composition book that his great-grandma had, and she lived in Portland, Oregon. And it's a composition book, and it has her name on it, and then the 27. The year's 27 is when she started writing and having this. And I thought that was so cool with the Felix the cat. It's mine, all mine. That's Felix the cat. Yeah. I looked it up, I Googled it, and 1919 is when he came about. It was pretty fun. Okay, so you got this one. And on the matte. So this one's the HD, and then this one is the matte. And you can really see the difference. I mean, so much fun. So much fun. You could really see the difference in it. So, yeah. Okay. All right. There's those. I feel like there's another paper. They're thicker. The matte photo is a little bit thicker. You could feel, not by much, but it's a little more heavyweight on that. Okay, and then this one's just a fun little guest book. I really liked it. And then I did some papers that came in it. They were already falling out of it, so I figured I might as well make some digitals to have little papers to go in it. And you guys can make your own little guest book. But I really liked it. I thought this turned out great, you know. I was like, that's not too bad. I would be happy with that. But then you could just see the comparison here. So much more crisp. So this is the HP, and then this is the matte photo paper. And you can really see the difference there. I mean, the matte photo is just so much more crisp. It really is. You know, I would have been happy with that one. Totally fine. And then I printed this and went, well, there you go. So, and so there's those. Now, here's the part that I want to say here is if you guys are printing off just paper, you know, just regular, I think, line paper, or maybe even coffee dyed paper or tea dye paper or anything like that, you could see here. So this one's the HP, and then this one is the matte photo. So there really isn't too much of a difference in these. So my suggestion is, if you know that you're printing off a bunch and it's just kind of just a blank paper, or, you know, something to this aspect where it's not color, where it doesn't have a cool color in the background, or a, you know, where you need it to be super crisp, I think this turned out great. I mean, I would use the HP for this because you do get, it is a little inexpensive, more inexpensive than the Canon. But I would say, yeah, if you're going to do papers like these, it doesn't really make it too big of a difference enough to worry about it. So there we go. But if you guys are going to be making, you know, ones with some cool colored backgrounds and even photos, I mean, like printing off photos of kids or your children, or just, you know, maybe some vintage photos or anything like that, I would suggest the matte photo paper, the Canon. So that is my comparison, and I like to show you guys this because so you don't have to do what I did and go, I wonder what will work better. You know, I'd rather not spend as much money, but honestly, you get 50 of them, and they're under, as of now, they're like $5.99 or something US dollars. So I mean, that's really not like breaking the bank or anything. It's not too bad, and I mean, just for what you get, look at that. This one's the coolest to me. I just really love the crispness of it. Okay, so my suggestion to you guys is, if you're going to print quality photos and things that you want the color background or great images, I would do it on the matte Canon. And otherwise, if you're going to be doing just, you know, some lined paper or maybe even some more document kind of things, I would just do the HP paper, because I think that turned out great too. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab scrapbooks and just flip thumb through them with you guys and see what you guys think. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I had to raise my phone up a little bit here. I'm on my phone. so you guys can see, because I mean these are pretty good size journals or scrapbooks. So this is the original, and let me find it. It is, you think I'd be ready here, the original, and I'll do the Canon to show you guys this one. So I think that turned out pretty cool. I mean, it's kind of got a little bit of different color to it, but I think it's, you know, pretty fun. It still turned out pretty cool. Okay, so that's that one. And I'm going to show you some stuff in here, which is kind of fun. So, sorry, it's got a little shine on it. So you could just see. I mean, the paper is so old. It really is. But it's just got some fun images in it that she went through and just glued down and, you know, doing scrapbooking. So, I mean, this is kind of neat. I just thought I'd share some with you guys. So it's just got some really cool, like, Christmassy stuff. And you can just see the different images back then. I'm sure this is just out of magazine page and stuff. That's kind of fun. Oh, that's just an old document. I don't know how that got in there. Okay. And I think that's cute. Woo. And these monkeys are so funny. I think they're funny. So yeah, I mean, it's just a bunch of images that she cut out from magazines and stuff. So it's kind of cool. That's a newspaper, it feels like. And then some Christmas stuff. Santa in a recliner. It's pretty funny. Oh, it's just a little card. Home sweet home. I mean, it's just so cute. So you got some Easter theme stuff. Okay. So you can just see there's just tons of different images. I mean, look at all the babies. That's so cute. The elephants. Okay, so there's that one, and I'll grab the other one for you guys. Okay. So I think these are in pretty good shape for being at least 70 years old. I mean, they are kind of falling apart, the pages coming out and stuff, but the color is just so cool. I mean, you can see that one. It's a scrapbook, and then it has the dangle on it, or the little tie. So that's that, and then this is the printout of it. So, I mean, I think that turned out kind of cool. So, yeah. Okay, there's that. And let's just check out what's in here. And I'm trying to fit it in the camera. We got some Valentines, and a kitty. So you can just see that she went through and just cut out some images. Some more Christmas stuff. It's pretty funny. This ballerina. More monkeys. I think the monkeys are great. I know, it's pretty good. Oh, little sleeping monkeys. So have fun. This is just so much fun. It's kind of neat just to look through, you know, you guys know, looking through some old stuff and seeing what's out there. I mean, that's so cute. I don't see any dates or anything on them, but I'm guessing these are like the 50s. That's my guess. And I think that's a pretty good guess. I think it's about early 50s. But that is really cool. Okay. I don't want to bore you guys looking through all of it, but it is fun, you know. It's kind of neat just looking through everything. And you got the beaver. So yeah. More Santa with the Coca-Cola. There you go. That's pretty good. Oh, the kitty doesn't have a face. But he's all fuzzy. He's still fuzzy too. I'm afraid to touch it. Okay. So I hope you guys found this video informational. And I hope I helped you guys out with some printer ideas of what to print your digitals out onto. And yeah, so if you guys could, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share. And let's grow together. And keep on crafting.